Doing a drive-through Phase 1A right on Split Railway. We're probably about, not more than 3-4 minutes from the restaurant. And I just want to show you the elegant homes that are now being built here at your beautiful River Gorge Ranch. Look at this home here. It's just so neat to see people's life dreams and accomplishments coming to reality. That's going to have some huge windows there, as you can see, overlooking the valley there and the mountains in the distance. Side entry garage so that nobody can see into your private world. Look at that. Let's drive down this main road here a little bit. Some of you might own land right on this street. Beautiful mountain in the distance. There's like 70 some permits issued. There's, I believe, now over 50 homes being built on the mountain. So this is going to be really neat to see this community come together. So many incredible people, so much passion. A couple more home sites just cleared this week. Another home site. It's one after another. Here's another gorgeous home. Beautiful ranch on the right. I love how they left all these trees in the front for privacy. Beautiful ranch. All custom. Looks like they're laying some of the pug down for the driveway. Just really neat to see it all coming together. Here's somebody building a home with a 2-car garage and then an RV garage for their recreational vehicle to have some fun in their retirement. Well, this is Dave Chenard at River Gorge Ranch showing you all the activity up here. Come and visit our beautiful mountain. Take care, everybody.